Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Take It Simple. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to save a draft in AOL Mail. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open the AOL Mail app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, go ahead, launch the app, then sign in. Now on the screen you can see options like Mail, Home, Receipts and Subscriptions. Tap on Mail, then on the top right corner you're gonna see two icons. Select the pencil-like icon from there. Now go ahead, fill in the empty boxes there. For example, type in who you want to send the email to, type in the subject, type in the mail. You can also attach files there. Once you do that, go ahead and tap on the three-dot menu on the top right corner, then select Save Draft from the options given on the screen. And guys, that's it. That's how you save a draft in AOL Mail. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.